Okay, let me create 2,150,000. Yeah, it's okay. And what I do? What is the advance to vendor in our company? 2,110,000, right? So by using special GL indicator A, I assign the both GL accounts. Is it special GL indicator A? But now we have one more indicator, that is P. By using P indicator, I have to assign the GL account between 1,501,000, one more GL account. That is the purpose. Under A indicator, I assign this advance to vendor. Is it? So by using P indicator, okay. So I have to assign 1,501,000. This is the reconciliation account. And what is now I'm going to create one GL account, say 2,151,000 GL account. Understood? So now when I do the partial payment, system will going to update this GL account. Okay. So for this purpose, I have to create one GL account by copying same advance to vendor only. Understood what I'm telling, please? Okay. So first, let me create one GL account, 2,151,000. Let me create 2,151,000 by copying, add already there. GL account, that is. Okay, central input I created. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll create 2,150,000 GL account by copying advance to vendor. Okay. Okay, so this is also okay. No need to change anything. Just for assignment purpose, I am going to create. When I do the partial payment through APP, this GL is going to update with the remaining balance. Okay. And okay, fine. I'm not going to change anything. Save. Then what I have to do, no? So I have to provide the link between the reconciliation account and advance to this one. Okay, okay. Make an entry in field group account number. Okay. Okay, we assign the group chart of accounts for this, right? Okay, let me remove that. Where we can assign the group chart of account. So it is asking group account number because we, for the operating chart of in 116, I assign the group chart of accounts, no? So it is asking for that. Remove that. Okay. I'm going to remove this. Otherwise, we have to assign. If I assign anything group chart of accounts, every time when you are going to create a GL, it will ask you to assign the group account number. So I deleted that. Okay. And next, go to again FS00. Let me create 2,150,000. I copy advance to vendor. Save it. Okay. Now this is our 2,150,000. I have to provide the link between 1,501,000. What is 1,501,000? Tell me.
Our reconciliation account, madam.
Where we assign this? Where we assign 1,501,000? Into vendor master, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Is it where we assign into vendor master, right? This we know that. Okay. Now I have to provide the link between 1,501,000 and 2,150,000. Okay. So the path is Business transactions, posting with alternative, different alternative reconciliation accounts, OBXT, chart of accounts, new entries. Is it? Yeah, sorry. Other special GL accounts, define alternative reconciliation accounts for vendor. Which indicator I should take? P. And 6. Here I should give 1,501,000. This is the GL account. I assign it to the here, and I have to 2 lakhs. What is that? 2 lakhs 150. No, great. Okay, I have to provide it between these GL accounts. Save it. Next, we'll see that. Next is this indicator P. Under this P indicator, we assign this GL. Now, this P indicator, we have to assign FBZP transaction code. Yesterday, we let me take one more screen. FBZP. We assign the F indicator. What is F indicator? Yesterday, we did ZP. Down payment request. All company codes. Here, yesterday we assigned the partial, sorry, this is what payment, advance, down payment request. Here I assign P also. Okay. I can assign P also here. Okay. Save it. Save it. That's over. Then I assign that. I provide the link between these two GLs. Then in FBZP also I assign. Then we have to give the debit and credit for this. Okay. Where in FBKP, I don't know the path FBKP. In FBKP decode, in STR only, FBKP decode, I have to give the posting keys and I have to give automatic posting. Here we have payment request. Okay, double click. Make sure that, okay, under P indicator, debit should be 29, credit should be 39. If it is not there, please assign P indicator. Under P indicator, what I did, I provide the link between 1,501,000 and 2,150,000. So you should give the debit and credit. By default, it is there. Sometimes if it is missing, so you have to do it. P indicator, debit should be 29, credit should be 39. Okay, where? Go back in. I'm coming again. In FBKP, okay, automatic posting. Here you can see this, no? Here you have to select payment request. Here you have to see payment request. Yeah. Payment request. Again, payment request. This configuration should be there. Otherwise, do it. Okay. So then next, because I already did for others, so that is the reason it is there. If it is missed, do that. Okay. Let us do that in F-43. One invoice posting. Okay. One second. Why I did so? Let me change this. It is not advanced one, partial payment. Huh? So next in F-43, okay, and posting 30th today, okay. And F-43, what invoice posting, no? Yes. Reliance vendor. One lakh invoice, okay. Here, make invoice posting and block for payment, remember. Okay, in F-43, make invoice posting and block for payment. So here what I do, I can select block for payment. At the time of invoice posting itself, we have to block it. It means what? Suppose if I try to post or make the payment in F-53, it will not allow. Okay. So invoice posting, okay. And raw material as usual. Vendor credit, raw materials, debit. Right? Save it. Okay, fine. Next, what I did, F-43, I did one invoice. At time itself, I block for payment. Okay. Suppose at the time of F-43, I didn't know that I can make the payment, partial payment in AP. We don't know, right? We don't know F-43 at the time of payment, invoice posting. We don't know exactly. We'll do this payment in partial payment in APP. We don't know. So I didn't know. So I didn't block for payment. Then later also I can do that. How? Where I can do? Where I can change? Any idea?
FB02.
Yes, I can go to FB02 because it's not that every time we know at the time of invoice posting. We may not, we may not know, don't know. So again, I go to FB02. I can give this 1 lakh 8 transaction, 1 lakh 8 this document number. In FB02, some fields I can able to change, except some amount and profit centers, right? Here also I can do that by giving. If I don't know, then I can come to FB02 payment block also. I can do that. Okay. Fine. So then what about F-49? How much amount you are going to pay in APP? There you can enter that amount in F-59. Go there and give the document number, give amount how much you want to pay in APP. in F-59. Okay. In F-59, what is that? 1,08,000, no? 1,08,000. Give the document number, enter. Okay, again enter. Here 1,00,000 is there, but I want 37,565. Okay, that is this amount I want pay. Okay, 37,5,600 partial amount I want to pay in AP. How much you want to pay, you can enter here. Save it. So now in APP, when I'm going to run, so the amount should be 37,565, not 1,00,000 rupees, right? So save. So let's see F110. Schedule proposal. Okay, it's been created. Okay, fine. Now we'll see that how much amount came here. No need to run. No need to wait for the final step. So here itself we can see that whether the amount came 30,000 or full invoice. We'll see that. How much amount came? Tell me. 37,465. Is it? So that understood? Okay, that amount came. So this is the way. So before itself, we do some configuration by using indicator P. We have to assign the GLs, and at the time of posting, we have to block amount because that amount should not be make payment manually. And then after that, how much amount you want to pay in APP, that amount you should specify in F-59. Okay, 1 second, please. 1 second. Finally, we got this amount, how much? 37,560. Okay, so I'm not going to run this. Okay, that I just wanted to show you. Okay, so I want to delete this paragraph. First, should delete the proposal. Otherwise, next time it will not allow you. And let me delete this parameters. Okay. Okay, fine. This is about partial payment. Now, the important is we can discuss LSMW. Okay. So LSMW means I was keep telling you that all the GLs, vendors, customers, all master data where we can upload, tell me.
LSMW, madam.
Where we can upload, we can create manually or what? all 1000 GLs is there, you will create manually.
No, madam, manual we cannot.
So we can't. So which one we can, and where we can upload this directly, where we can create, use the LSMW. Okay,
Uh,
in production server. Of course, for testing purpose, we can do in development server also. Okay.
yes, miss.
So, but all the GLs, everything, we can directly create in the production server. Okay. So we'll see that. Okay, one by one. Okay, I'll send the document. So we'll try this. Okay. LSMW.